Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to publish remote app only instead of full desktop. So by default, when you create a collection on Windows Server 2025 or older version even, so you will get full desktop published when you are using the deployment method like a session host deployment. So basically what we are going to do in this video, we already have RDS deployed, so we'll see how to basically unpublish or hide full desktop and use on publish only remote app. So now, so what are the key features or key things which we are going to cover in this video? So remove full desktop access, publish only selected app, make your RDS environment more secure, and test everything from Windows 11 client, which is in my demo environment, to test everything goes well. So I got the same environment which we are using since few videos. So I got my domain controller, a connection broker, and web RD web server, and then 3 session hosts and 2 client machines. So now the very first thing is to go and create a session. If it's not created, if it is already created, then you only need to publish a remote app. So in my environment, this is already created. Basically collection is not, let's consider collection is not created, but let's say in your environment collection is created and already that collection is serving full desktop, or you can see full remote desktop for the your session host server to end user. It always going to be vulnerable, as we discussed, because it has more attack surface to your environment. So that's why we are going to see now. So now if I go, this is my environment. So I got my domain controller, connection broker, and on the connection broker, if I go here, you will see I have my connection broker RD web role is running on CB01, and I got my 3 session host server. So now again in this video I'm going to use a PowerShell, almost same which we used in last video. So the variable collection name I put a description and 3 session hosts, and I'm passing this as a variable, and then creating new RD session collection with the name of these variable, and connection broker server, and then getting the get collection RD session collection. So I'll hit enter here, basically run this script, so it will create a collection. So now it's adding the session host to my collection. Now you can see we got remote app only published. Now let's see, this is reflecting under the server manager. So you can see this is RD app only is published. Now since you see here, we don't have any application published till now. So let's verify what happens if you don't publish any application. So since this is a brand new environment, so I have not I have just created a collection, and it is not having any application published, then you will see the full desktop with the name of collection, so RD app only. So if I click on this, it will download the RDP file. Let's see here. So if I launch this, it will bring me to the desktop of the RD session 1. So let's verify we are able to log into this newly created collection with full desktop. So now you can see I'm logged into the session host with the full desktop. So this is what we wanted to hide for users. Let's say if the users only want Chrome, Edge, or some specific your enterprise application which is installed on this server, so you should not publish your complete basically desktop to end user. So now we are going to change this default nature. So now if I go here and just refresh this, you will see RD app. Now I'm going to publish some application here. So let's click on publish remote app, and let's say Excel and Edge and Chrome I'm going to publish. Click next and just click on publish, so it will publish these 2 apps. So now you can see both apps are published, so I'll close. And now you can see these two apps are published. Now if I go to my client machine and I refresh this, so it should show now these two only. So now you can see the full desktop has been removed from here. By default, this is the default nature of collections. When you publish the application, it will remove your full desktop. So now the user has only access to these two apps, not on the full desktop. So this is the default nature. So we have done removing, and now we have also done the testing for publishing remote app. Now I'll try to access these apps. So let's say Chrome and Edge. So this is MS Edge, and I'll download this one also. So now both is downloaded. Now I'll go ahead and launch this Edge. So it is asking for password, so I'll type my password here. So now the Edge is launched from my remote app, and you can see the small icon here which shows basically remote desktop session. And now if I go and launch Chrome also, this is my Chrome application RDP file. If I launch this, you can see the Chrome is also launched. So once the application is launched and session is created, the application will be quick. So first time it is going to take some time because it's going to log in the session. Once the session is launched, you will get in launch application access instantly. So now you can see I got a session on session host 1. So basically this is how you can publish your application only, instead of publishing complete full desktop to users. So in today's videos we have seen how to create a collection and remove the full desktop, and how to publish remote app only. So thank you for video watching. Please subscribe me for more videos, and if you have any query, any question related to this, you can always post me in my given mail IDs. Thank you once again. Bye bye.